Africa is a continent where people still live from the land. Its economy is, however, at a stage of development where its agricultural produce is not adequately supported by optimum processing systems. As a result, much of the processed foods like oils, etc., are either imported or purchased at higher prices by those growing the raw materials for the same in their own fields. The economy of the entire continent, therefore, requires a massive push towards industrialization and growth. Springboard Enterprises has brought together end-user solutions in world-class, easy-to-handle oil extraction projects in all scales of production. The company helps install plants with production capacities ranging between 1 ton per day and 150 tons per day. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, Springboard Enterprises offers state-of-the-art technology transference from India to Africa that can not only bring down the costs of processed foods but can also help generate massive employment for one and all in Africa. The small and medium-sized oil expellers consists of 4 major parts. The decorticating machine is used first to take out the outer shells or husks of the seeds. The husk is then separated from the kernels by either manual winnowing or through mechanical winnowers in case of large scale. After this, the seeds are put inside the cooking hopper of the expeller, where steam preheats and adds minute amounts of water to it. These are then passed through the woven shaft where crushing extracts the oil. The oil collects in a storage tank from where it is pumped into the filter press, which removes parts of the seeds still left in the oil. The odor is finally removed by passing the filtered oil through the neutralizer, and the oil is ready to be packed. Packaging can be done in different quantities as per the needs of the market. The small oil expelling machine is most suited to those looking for self-employment without too much investment in seed capital. The machine is compact and most suitable for micro, small and medium-sized productions. Adequate and easy to understand training modules have been designed. The installation of this trade machine can bring about massive employment generation, particularly in villages and remote areas, which suffer from proximity limitations. Farmers already producing oil seeds in their farms can increase their revenues astronomically by selling finished products directly